Ate was asking if we were married.
Again.
Yeah. They always ask if we're married. How long we've been dating. Where is he from?
Is he American?
Is he American? And when she says yes, they're like, oh, okay, oh.
Have you been to their country? And then, how old is he? Is the usual like question that they have right now. And they're just like always like happy asking about me. She was like good in English yesterday, right? When she was like interviewing you, but right now she was like talking in Ilonggo and just talking to me.
Sure. What's up, guys? So we're at the Molo Park now. It might sound like there's a concert behind me, but it's actually just they have speakers under all the trees blasting, so I had to find a spot where maybe you could hear me. So hopefully this is coming through just fine and won't get copyrighted. But it's a beautiful little park. There's like a mansion, there's an old church. I'll show you the church. It's huge. It's definitely hundreds of years old. I don't know if I can get in. I'll try to walk around and see if I can find a way in. So I'll show you the park too. It's huge, but I'm definitely going to get copyrighted if I go through the park with all the music going on. So we're going to walk around and see what we can find. It's a nice park though, right here across the bridge by the boardwalk, or the river walk. So I don't know. Let's see what we can find. I'll walk through and enjoy the concert too, I guess. Bye guys. That's going to be 50 feet tall. Wow. Okay, I'm going to turn this off, but this is awesome. It's so huge. I want to find out how old this place is. I bet it's at least 200 years old. Okay. Bye guys. Okay, so we were able to get inside the church. Haven't found the sign to say how old it is yet, but it was really beautiful inside. Huge. I mean, some of those statues were 50, 60, 70 feet tall. I mean, as tall as the building. I mean, you can see how high that goes. There are statues going all the way up to the ceiling, so really cute. Let's see if we can find a sign up front. There we go. 1896 it's saying, but it's in Ilonggo. No, I think 1863. That's the earliest time it says on here, but again, it's in Ilonggo, so I'm not sure what it says. I'm assuming that's the date of consecration. Anyway, 1863, that's 160 years old, so very cool. Anyway guys, we're gonna keep going. We'll see you in a bit. What's up guys? So it's the next day here with Mary. We just got done with breakfast at the Carinderia. So I brought her to the place yesterday with all the Disney stuff. So see, they have Disney Princesses.
They're taller than me.
Yeah. Very much taller.
Very short. Frozen.
Yeah, Frozen. And then what? Beauty
How
and the
many
Beast.
years was Frozen? I think 7 or more than
How
that.
old?
Yeah,
I think more than that.
more than that, right? Especially her.
Yeah, this is from like the early 90s.
Beauty and Beast. Babe, you should be like in here.
Yeah.
The giant guy. Oh, Cinderella is here too. Princes are like that. They want their boobs to be like.
I guess. Do you stand like that? No, it works. Weird. Like this.
Like that. Such a big guy.
And then Snow White.
Oh. Arian. My favorite princess when I was like young was Cinderella. And followed by Snow White. Third was Ariel. I was like, it's already 9 in the morning though. I'm gonna work at 10. So we're just like navigating the streets right now.
Well, let's go back to here. We can go to the main area. Okay, we'll be right back. We're seeing if she's taller than the minion. Maybe 1 inch. It's close.
This is my buddy.
And then Dora, you're taller than the monkey. I think the monkey is called Coco, maybe?
Coco?
I don't know. Let's take
I
a
got Dora
yeah.
and I forgot his name.
I don't think I ever watched it. It's so hot. My poor head. I was red yesterday. It's better now. So how ya going? We're still taking some pictures, but it's hot. It's much brighter today. Yesterday it was overcast. That's why it rained on me twice.
They're even installing lights right now.
Yeah, Christmas lights. Yeah, it's like cute Christmas decorations around. I wish we could come here at night. Yeah, you can see how big the statues are compared to her.
Comparing to me?
Yeah. All right. I think we're gonna get some more photos before we melt and then get out of here.
Before we melt.
It's so hot. And she has to go to work soon. All right, bye guys.
Look at him. He's way taller than the statues. What can you say about you could be there?
I could be a stormtrooper. I don't think the suit would fit me. I'm too thick.
Now we're at the area of like mostly guys, right? Star Wars. This one, babe.
That's Han Solo.
Ah, Han Solo. Haven't really watched his movie.
Or you can see how much taller he is than me.
You're so short comparing to him.
Yeah, he's like 7 feet.
Yeah. He's way taller than you.
You can see they put veins in his arms.
Look at that, guys. His veins.
But he's a tiny Junjun.
Huh?
He is a tiny Junjun.
It must be covered with the latex.
Maybe. You can see everything else. I can see the veins in his legs, but for some reason his Junjun is protected from sight. I think maybe there's just nothing there.
Where did you know Junjun? Huh? Who taught you that?
Some Binuang girl.
Some binuang girl at the sidewalk.
She taught me to be bastos.
No!
Yes.
My God, we should punish that girl.
Oh, there's a little chicken. I bet I'm taller than him.
Oh, yeah.
We have the same body, too.
Oh, you're much taller, babe.
We both have the uncle body.
Hey. Hey. I thought he was doing that too. Hey. He learns that from the kids.
The TikTok.
Mutia and chicken. The TikTok.
Ah, hey. I'm looking pink.
You're looking pink.
I'm
right?
looking like a baboy.
Lechon.
Yeah.
Lechon baboy. It's not yet open though because it's still early.
Yeah. There's other superheroes over there.
Yeah. I'll just look to Superman. Look at that. It's so clean. Limpyo kayo. Someone cleaning too. Superman and Batman. What do you think of them, babe? No veins, just abs. What about their junjun? They're covered in latex too.
Yeah, very small.
Very small. And also like Spider-Man. Spider-Man, there are two.
You got a big junjun,
Huh? This one? He always compares the junjun. Maybe they're a shower. Really different kind of.
This one's got a much bigger shoulders.
Yeah.
His delts are huge.
Yeah. But it's shorter though. Maybe this is the first one and then this is like the aftermath. Because he grew. My favorite. Iron Man and Captain America.
Look how big his calves are.
Yeah. You want to have that, right? Ooh, look at that. It could be like in there too. Pose, babe, pose. It could be like cryo. It's so clean. The building is so nice, well maintained. At least you're not getting any redder anymore.
That's true. This is a nice area to hang out. Then we'll go to the bakery and get some snacks for your workers.
Yeah, and for me too. And for you too.
For me.
Thank you, babe.
Okay. Bye.
Was it you?
So I brought her today to try the xiao pao.
I already ate all of it.
What did you think?
Was good.
Good?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Very good. Ate was asking if we were married.
Again.
Yeah. They always ask if we're married. How long we've been dating. Where is he from?
Is he American?
Is he American? And when she says yes, they're like, oh. Okay,
Have you been to their country? And then, how old is he? Is the usual like question that they have right now. And they're just like always like happy asking about me. She was like good in English yesterday, right? When she was like interviewing you, but right now she was like talking in Ilonggo and just talking to me.
True.
I just want to know all of the things about you.
No English today. But we got a bunch of good cookies and stuff.
She didn't do much like interview you yesterday.
All business.
All business, but with me
But she was nice.
But with me it was all personal. She was like my long lost auntie.
Mountain Dew. Just a bag of Mountain Dew.
got me Mountain Dew, which is what I like.
Okay guys, we're gonna finish eating our cookies and stuff and then go to work here at SM Iloilo and then probably go to Bacolod around lunchtime, so we'll see you there. Bye. What's up guys? So we're in the Iloilo ferry terminal on our way to Bacolod. So we basically just went to Mary's job at SM Iloilo today and then kind of got here early, so it's about 1 o'clock right now. We got breakfast at 2 carinderias actually. They were right next to each other, so we tried both. They're both really good. The ferry to Bacolod is about $5.50, which is about $10. I feel like that's kind of high considering it's only an hour, but you know, $10 isn't too bad. We're gonna get to Bacolod about 3:30, and then our hotel is very near the terminal, so we'll put our bags down and go out to eat. I've got a lot of places picked out. Maybe we'll get some better video there. A lot of people here seem scared to talk to me. Maybe it's just because I'm big and I have a scary bald head, so I don't know if that makes me intimidating, but we'll see if Bacolod is any different. Anyway, we'll see you later guys. Bye.